What's the meaning of Calgary? Calgary. Calgary.
Calgary. Calgary. Calgary is a city in the province of Alberta, Canada. The word Calgary originates from a Gaelic phrase meaning cold garden, which reflects the city's climate and unique geographical location between the Rocky Mountains and the Canadian prairies. First inhabited by indigenous peoples, Calgary was settled by Europeans in the late 19th century and has since grown into a thriving urban center with a diverse population and a strong economy driven by industries such as energy, finance, and technology. The city is known for its natural beauty, recreational opportunities, and vibrant cultural scene, making it a popular destination for visitors from around the world.